Welcome to early June in the garden, front yard. I have purchased a green stalk planter. Currently I have some basil just planted, tiny dill, and some lettuce in the bottom, and we'll see how that goes. The onion bed is getting more full. Little baby Coton ester I pulled out from under the bush is growing. Lavender I need to get it put in the ground. The island isn't looking nice. Lawn has been mowed. Peonies are spent. The clematis is going to begin blooming to take over. See a purple flower there. The island. Buckwheat is blooming. Everything else looks pretty happy. Look at the iris. Lots of iris. Step back in the street now. Oh, wrong way. So that's the way the front yard looks now. And don't think there's much more to highlight over here, but you can see the poppies are opening up. A little bit of dianthus. That is a invasive wild geranium with pinkish flowers. I'm gonna keep an eye on that, make sure it doesn't get unruly. It appeared out of nowhere. Again, my ancient lavender, it's hard for me to want to pull it out. It's about spent. You see there's no blossoms starting because it's old, so it's beyond its time. The oak here is certainly looking lovely. I'm so happy. And that's about it for here. More iris and a front yard.